Disclaimer is here. Damn, why I loved her and she betrayed me. I won't forgive her. I hate you because of your pushed Ryan. See, from now I will take care of her and I will try to love her. He said and he wiped his tears and he went to room. Taeyang came to the room and is looking at you lovingly. Taeyang, I don't know if I will be able to love you like you do, Ryan. I think I'm started falling for you. He said and he kissed her forehead and he laid beside you. Day 4. You were shocked when you slept in Taeyang's arms. You was about to get up, but you felt Taeyang's grip is tighter around you. Taeyang, good morning. Taeyang, so what is the plan today? You, I won't say. Just wait and watch and get ready fast. Taeyang, okay. After a few minutes, you both arrived to destination. Taeyang, hospital? You, yeah, let's go. You said, and you grabbed his hand and you took him to the room. Taeyang, Amma, he spoke with teary eyes and he immediately hugged his mother. Taeyang, how are you, Amma? I missed you. Thanks, Mom. I'm fine. Don't cry, my big baby. Taeyang, who admitted you here? Taeyang, Mom. Jungkook. You told her to say that Jungkook admitted her in hospital. You, how are you, auntie? You said, and thanks, Mom. Scrunched her eyebrows in confusion. Thanks, Mom. What are you saying? She was about to say something, but you shook her head as no. Taeyang, I'm happy that you're fit and well. Thanks, Mom. Yes, I'm fine. She said while smiling happily. And you all talked for some time. The room is filled with all of your locks and heels. You, it's time for us to go. Meet you soon, auntie. Thanks, Mom. Okay, take care, daughter. She said, which made Taeyang shocked, but he didn't say anything. Taeyang, take care, Amma. Love you. Thanks, Mom. You too, and especially take care of her. Taeyang, okay, I will. Bye, Amma. He said, and she bid goodbye to both of you, and you both left the place. Taeyang, thank you, Ryan. You, no problem, Taeyang. Your smile always makes my day. I love you. Let's go. He said, when Taeyang listened to those words, his heart skipped a beat. Taeyang, okay, let's go. He said, and you both went to the mansion. Day 5. Taeyang, Ryan, are you ready? You, yes, I'm coming. You shouted from your room. Jungkook, where you guys are going? Taeyang, just for a long drive. How is my plan? Jungkook, it's good, but remember one thing, Taeyang. If you're going to leave her, don't give up false hopes. Just be in your limits. Her love for you is unconditional. Remember that. You, what are you talking, guys? Jungkook, nothing. You, hey my bunny cookie. Why are you looking sad? I will bring carrots for you, don't worry. You said while hugging him, and Jungkook also hugged you back. When you hugged Jungkook, Taeyang felt jealousy. He was about to come towards you, but Jungkook's words came to his mind. Jungkook, take care. He said and kissed your forehead. You, let's go, Tae. You said, and you both left the place. After a few minutes, you, I like long drive very much. Then, I know. You, how? He asked, and he shrugged his shoulders. Taeyang, cigarette. Okay, let's enjoy the view, he said, and you both sat on the rooftop of the car, and you both are enjoying the view. Taeyang suddenly pulled you closer to him, and you looked at him. You are mesmerized by his features, and you're looking at him without blinking, and you're coming closer to him, which made Taeyang gulp. Your hot air is fanning on his lips, and he closed his eyes, but he opened his eyes when he heard your laugh. You, look, how funny you're looking. I know you're uncomfortable with me. How can I kiss you? You said, and Taeyang felt sad when he listened to your words. You, Tae, see I brought hot chocolate for you. Taeyang, thank you. He said, and you took a sip, and he moved that hot chocolate towards your mouth. You took a sip of it, and you both are observing the view. You, these stars are shining bright and bright? Taeyang, yes. You, can you see that star, Tae? He said when showing the brightest star. Taeyang, yes. You, that star always follows me. You know why? Because it's my grandpa. I love him so much. He's the one who take care of me. But he died few years before. And then Jungkook and his parents take care of me. I'm thankful to them. Then, Ryan, then what about your parents? He asked, which made you clench your fist. You, I don't know about them. You said and he said. You, I'm happy that I'm spending my time with you. I will cherish this days forever. Okay? Thank you for accepting my deal. It means a lot to me. You know that I don't have anyone except Jungkook. He meant a lot to me. I'm very much thankful for him that he never left my side. You don't have anything to say then? My father left my mother when I was 10 and my mother worked hard to raise me and suddenly she was diagnosed with cancer. But thank God, the doctor said it can be cured. And yes, my childhood friend, she supported me every time. But her parent doesn't like me and now she's marrying someone. He said and he spoke to him. You don't worry, you're gonna leave me after a day and you can stop our wedding. As I promised you, I won't show my face to you. You can lead your life happily with Leah. He said with a saddest smile, which made Tae's heart clench. He was about to speak but he stopped when your phone started ringing. You took the call and it was from Jungkook. You, okay Bunny, I'm coming, you said and you cutted the call. You, we have to go now. Jungkook is worried first. You said and you nodded his head and you both went to the mansion. You, good night, Tae. Then, if you don't mind, can you come to the room and we will cuddle together? You, really? Let's go then. You, really? Let's sleep then. Then, good night, Jaggy, he said, and your heart is beating faster. You, good night, you said, and he came closer to you, and he made you lay on his chest. You can hear his heartbeat, which is beating faster, and eventually, you fell asleep while listening to his heartbeat. Day 6, you, we have so many plans today, let's go. Then, okay, and you both made your way outside.
नींद रातों की मेरी चाहत बातों की मेरी चैन को भी मेरे तूने यूं ठगा है जब सांसें भरूं मैं बंद आंखें करूं मैं नजर तू याद आया चुप माही चुप है रांझा बोले कैसे वे ना जा बोले कैसे वे ना जा 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 बोले कैसे वे ना जा बोले कैसे वे ना जा चुप माही चुप है रांझा जा जा मेल करा दे रब्बा मांगो दुआएं सौ सौ एक दिन की मेल करा दे रब्बा मांगो दुआएं सौ सौ एक दिन की कर ले हिसाब गिन ले सारी दुआएं कर ले हिसाब गिन ले सारी दुआएं कैसे ये गलती करी तूने कैसे ये गलती करी एक बात बताओ तो यादों में मरते हो क्या तुम हमसे अब भी मोहब्बत करते हो एक बात बताओ तो यादों में मरते हो क्या तुम हमसे अब भी मोहब्बत करते हो तुम जिनके हो अभी उनके बारे बताना क्या आता है उनको तुम्हें चुप कराना जमीने रो रो के समंदर भर दिए क्या तुम भी रो रो के नदियां भरते हो
नी मैं रज रज हिजर मनावा नी मैं खुद तोर सुमुड़ जावा ओ नी मैं रज रज हिजर मनावा नी मैं खुद तोर सुमुड़ जावा कल्ली पीड़ च बैठी तेरी पीड़ च बैठी रुसिया रांझा वे मेरा मैं भी कम न हटी कल्ली पीड़ च बैठी तेरी पीड़ च बैठी रुसिया रांझा वे मेरा मैं भी कम न हटी
चिट्टा कुक्कड़ बने रे थे चिट्टा कुक्कड़ बने रे तुझसे मिलना यूं, कसम तुम्हें कसम आके मिलना यही, एक जान है भले दो बदन हो जुदा, मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना, कभी ना कहना अलविदा, मेरी सुबह हो तुम ही और तुम ही शाम हो, तुम दर्द हो तुम ही आराम हो, मेरी दुआओं से आती है बस ये सदा, मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना, कभी ना कहना अलविदा, चाहे दुख हो चाहे सुख हो, दिल ने तुझको ही पुकारा, तूने हमको है बनाया, तूने हमको है सवारा, जहाँ को तो रब का है, हमें तेरा है सहारा, बस तेरा साथ हो, चाहे जो बात हो, बस तेरा साथ हो, चाहे जो बात हो, तेरे कहने से कर जाएंगे, हम मर जाएंगे, ओ हम मर जाएंगे।
तू ही मुझको बता दे, चाहो मैं या ना, अपनी तो दिल का बता दे, चाहो मैं या ना।
इतना बता दूं तुझको, चाहत पे अपनी मुझको यूं तो नहीं इख्तियार, फिर भी ये सोचा दिल ने, अब जो लगा हो मिलने, पूछूं तुझे एक बार, ओ, तू ही है मुझको बता दे, चाहूं अपने तो दिल का बता दे, चाहूं
देखा तेनू पहली पहली बार वे, होने लगा दिल बेकरार वे, रब्बा मैनू की हो गया, दिल जानिए हाय मैनू की हो गया।
सुन के तेरी बातें सुने यार वे, माही मैनू तेरे नाल प्यार वे, हाय मैं मर जावा न जाने, हाय मैं मर जावा।
इन कदमों में सांसें वार दे, रब से भी ज्यादा तुझे प्यार दे, रब्बा मैनू माफ करे, रब्बा खैरिया हाय मैनू माफ करे।
तुम तो मेरी जिंदा मेरी जान वे, मेरी तो ज़मीं आसमान वे, तुझे बिन मैं की करा, रब्बा खैरिया हाय मैं की करा।
तू आती है सीने में, जब जब सांसें भरता हूँ, तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरता हूँ, हवा के जैसी चलती है तू, मैं रेत जैसा उड़ता हूँ, कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे